What is the value of the sum of 2 to the power of x and 3 to the power of y from the given algebraic equations? Let 2 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of y be equation 1, and the sum of 2 divided by x and 3 divided by y equals 1 be equation 2. Take the natural logarithm of equation 1. This implies that x times log 2 equals y times log 3. Divide the equation by log 3. It follows that y equals x times log 2 all divided by log 3. We call it equation 3. Substitute in equation 2 and we have that the sum of 2 divided by x and 3 divided by the ratio of x times log 2 to log 3 equals 1. Simplify and we obtained a new equation as shown on the screen. Use the concept of the lowest common multiple of the denominators to simplify the left-hand side of the equation. It implies that the sum of 2 times log 2 and 3 times log 3 all divided by x times log 2 equals 1. Cross-multiply and solve for x. It implies that x equals the sum of 2 times log 2 and 3 times log 3, all divided by log 2 which equals to the sum of log 4 and log 27, all divided by log 2. Substitute in equation 3 to find the value of y so that we obtained a new equation as shown on the screen after simplification of values. Therefore, the sum of 2 to the power of x and 3 to the power of y equals the sum of 108 and 108 which equals 216.